Two ways to crochet a magic circle with your single-stranded yarn. You're going to take the tail and you're going to hold end with your crochet hook. Wrap around twice of your hook. 1, 2. Taking the tail, holding it like this. Now notice there are 2 wraparounds. 1, 2. Notice that the first one is closer to the hook, whereas the second one is farther from the hook. Holding your 2, you're going to pull the first loop closer to the hook and pull it toward the back, and that creates your base. And notice it looks like it has a noose around the neck of the yarn. So this is going to be very important with this single strand. It's going to play an important role. So with that said, we're going to yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2. So that's going to make us 2 chains. Now, with this is going to be a single strand. The very first base we pulled through, I'm going to single crochet. Push my hook through that, yarn over, and I'm going to go through 1. I'm going to count it like a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it doesn't matter how many single crochet stitches you're going to use in the single crochet strand. It just makes it easy. Now I'm going to close it with the last single strand, I like to yarn over and slip stitch. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have my 8 strands. Especially when I'm working in the round, it's really great. The second technique I have for you is the other one. You're going to use your same yarn, take the tail end, but difference is you're going to use your fingers, wrap it around, insert. Now look what I'm doing closely. Insert my crochet hook through both circles. Now I'm going to pull that outer string through the center, yarn over, pull through. So with this, I have a little knot. Now I don't want to pull it too hard because it's going to be harder to open up. So I'm going to crochet the same 8 stitches like I did in my last demonstration. So remember, inside the circle, into the circle, pull this through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, I did the same thing with this. See how this is a single strand I'm working? I did this all around the single strand, and this is perfect for working in the round, especially making hats. Now I'm going to pull with my string, and notice it's going to tug and it's going to close the circle. So with that said, and to close it in my single crochet stitch, you see this first one, these are first 2 loops, yarn over and a slip stitch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there you go. You just made an extra stitch. So there you got your 8. So another thing that's nice about this, especially making a hat, the middle lies flat. It's not going to poke, whereas it's going to be whether you use a small amount, but it just lies flatter. When you make a hat now, you can use 8 or 13, depending on whatever your pattern on the work looks like. It's the back, the front, but anyway, cut your yarn, cut your tail if you have to. And so there you have it.